Hello friends, welcome back to Relief Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss sixth problem of exercise 12.2. See, I will read the question. Sanya has a piece of land which is in the shape of a rhombus. This is a piece of land which is in the shape of a rhombus. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on the land and produce different crops to suffice the need of their family. She divided the land into two equal parts. If the perimeter of the land is 400 meter, so here perimeter is given and that is 400 meter, and one of its diagonal is 160 meter. So one diagonal is 160 meter, perimeter is 400 meter. How much area will each of them will get? So same problem as we have done yesterday. Perimeter is 400. See here, perimeter is 400. You know in rhombus length of each side is equal. Four sides are equal. So length of each side will be divided by 4. That is equals to 100 meters. So this will be 100, 100, 100, 100. So total will be 400. And this is 160. And we have seen, if you know that in parallelogram, this diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal parts. See, this I will write here 100. Here also 100. 100. 100. You see the dimension of both the triangle ABC and ADC. Parameters are same, 100, 100, 160. Here also 100, 100, 160. Parameters are same, so area will be same. Okay. So quite simple problem. So we write here, let ABCD be rhombus and perimeter is 400 meter. So therefore, we can say AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD, that is equals to 400 upon 4. So that is equals to 100 meter. And let AC is equals to 160 meter. So can I say area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ADC? So I can write here area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ADC. So now for any one triangle, triangle ABC, we will find, for triangle ABC, AB is equals to 100 meter, BC is equals to 100 meter, and AC is equals to 160 meter. We will find semi-perimeter. S equals to 100 plus 100 plus 160 divided by 2. So 360 divided by 2. So 180 meter is the semi-perimeter. Now we will find area of triangle ABC. Is equals to S is 180. 180 minus A. A is 100, B is 100, C is 160. 180 minus 100. 180 minus 100. 180 minus 160. So here 180. 180 minus 100 is 80. 180 minus 100, 80. 180 minus 160, here minus, so that is equals to 20. Clear? So now, see there are two 80, so we will not disturb this 80. Now 18, 9 twos are. So I can write 9 into 20. Why? Because there is 20 here. Into 80, into 80, into 20. Simple. So now see. Root of 9 is 3. There are two 20s, so I will write 120. There are two 80s, so I will write 180. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 8s are 8 6 are 48. 2 0 488 meters square. So this is the area of triangle ABC, and that is also the area of triangle ADC. So what we have to find out? See, we have to find out how much area each of them will get. Okay, so area obtained by each of them is equals to 4800 meter square. Why? Because area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ADC. So area obtained by each of them is equals to 4800 meter square. Simple, nothing. It is a rhombus, and you know that diagonal divides the rhombus into two equal parts. So area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ADC. We have measures of all three sides of a triangle. So we know that if we have three sides of a triangle, we can find area by using Rho's formula. Simple. Clear? Okay, now we'll do question number 7. So I will read the question. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. You can see here in your assignment, see this is a floral design. It is made up of 16 tiles. There are 8 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals. And each petal, I have drawn here one petal, it is made up of 2 triangular tiles. So altogether there are 16 tiles. So a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular in shape. The side of each triangle is given 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of rupees 50 paisa per centimeter square. So here what we will do, we will find area of one triangular tiles. Then altogether how many tiles are there? 16 tiles are there. So we will find area of 16 tiles. So we will get total area of floral tile. Then we will find the cost of polishing. And cost of polishing is 50 paisa per centimeter square. So 50 paisa means rupees, half rupees per centimeter square. So now what we will do, for each parameters are given. Okay, length of each sides of triangular tile, length of each sides of a triangular tile, are 35 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So these are the parameters of each triangular tile. So we have measures of 3 sides of a triangle. So we know how to find area naturally by using Rho's formula. So now for each tile, we will find semi-perimeter. So these are the length of 3 tiles. So I will take 35 plus 28 plus 9 upon 2. So we'll say now 9, 8, 17, 17 plus 5, 17 plus 5, 22, 2, carry 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 72 upon 2. So that is equal to 36 centimeter. So we got semi-perimeter. Now we find area of each tile. So area of each tile. S is 36. S minus A. A is 35. B is 28. 36. S minus C. C is 9. Here, I am not writing the formula. So now 36 minus 35, 1. 36 minus 28. So how will you get to that is 8. 36 minus 9, 27. See, 36 is a perfect square. Root 36 is 6. So I will write as it is. 8 I will write 4 2s are, and 27 I will write 9 3s are. So root 36 is 6. Root 4 is 2. Root 9 is 3. The left is 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. Clear? Now 3 2s are 6. 6 6 are 36 root 6 centimeter square. So this is the area of one tile. Clear? So now altogether how many tiles are there? 16 tiles. So we'll find now area of 16 tiles. Okay. So area of 16 tiles. So therefore area of 16 tiles. So that is equals to 16 into 36 root 6 centimeter square. Now 36 into 16. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 6 3 are 18. 21. 1 6 6 6. 1 3 is 3. So 6 7 5. So how much you will get? 576 root 6 centimeter square. So this is area, total area of a floral tile. So now see floral tile. This is floral tile. So you get the total area of this floral tile. Okay. Now we will find cost of polishing. So cost of polishing is 50 paisa per centimeter square. 50 paisa means half rupees. Okay. So now last step we will find total cost of polishing at the rate of rupees half per centimeter square. So what we will do? We will multiply this with half. So half into 576 root 6 rupees. So 2 ones are here, 2 twos are 70, 8s are 60, 8s are. So that is equals to rupees 288 root 6. This is the total cost of polishing the floral tiles. Clear? So nothing is here, just you see one petal is made up of 2 triangular tiles. Dimension of this triangle is given. So you have all the 3 measures. So you can find area by using Hero's formula. So you go to area of 1 triangular tiles. You want such 16 triangular tiles. So you will find total area of floral tiles, that is 16 triangular tiles. So you will multiply this area with 16. So you got here total area. Now you want to find cost of polishing. So cost of polishing at the rate of 50 paisa. 50 paisa means half rupees per centimeter square. So you will multiply this total area by half rupees. So you will get total cost of polishing. So with this we have completed this question. Now we will do next question. Hello friends. Now we are discussing problem number 8. See here we will read the question. Kamala has a triangular field with side 240, 200 and 360. 240, 200 and 360. Where she grow wheat. So here wheat is grown. In another triangular field with side 240, 320 and 400 meter adjacent to the previous field, she wanted to grow potato and onion. See here she is growing potato, here onion. She divided the field into 2 parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side. See, this is the longest side AD 400 meter. This is the midpoint of this longest side AD. So I can say these 2 are equal by joining the midpoint to the opposite vertex, that is C. By drawing this is called median. And you will learn in previous chapter, okay, this median divides the triangle into 2 equal parts. So area of triangle AEC and area of triangle DEC both are equal. So she divided the field into 2 parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex and grow potato in one part and onion in other part. How much area in hectare has been used for wheat, potatoes and onion? 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. See now. So we write in triangle ABC, wheat is grown. In triangle wheat is grown and triangle ACD is divided into 2 equal parts by joining C with midpoint of AD. So therefore we can say area of triangle AEC is equals to area of triangle ECD. Here we have to use Heron's formula, nothing else. See here, for triangle ABC, measures of three sides are given. You will find area by using Heron's formula. Here for triangle ACD, you have all the three sides. So you will find area by using Heron's formula, and you will divide that area into 2. That is, you will divide by 2. So you will get area of both this triangle. Why? Because their areas are equal. That's all. And you will convert the answers into hectares. Okay, quite simple. See, now for triangle ABC, semi-perimeter S is equals to, for triangle ABC, I will write the dimension if you want to write here. See, for triangle ABC, AB is equals to 360, BC 200 and AC 240. Now semi-perimeter S is equals to 360 plus 200 plus 240 divided by 2. So 0, 0, 0, so I write 0. 4, 4 and 6, 10. Carry 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800 upon 2, so that is equals to 400 meter. So in this way we got semi-perimeter. Okay, now you will find area. Area of triangle ABC under root of S. S is 400. 400 minus A, that is 360. 400 minus B, that is 200. 400 minus C, that is 240. So here what we will get? 400. 400 minus 360, 40. 400 minus 200, 200. 400 minus 240, 160. So numbers are quite bigger. See here, you know here 400 is a perfect square. Root 400 is 20, so we will not disturb this. 40, we can write 4 tens are. Okay. Here 200. So you can write 2 into 100, 160. You can write here 16 into 10. 16 is a perfect square. Here 100 is a perfect square. Here 4 is a perfect square. So now I will write here, see, 400, 4 into 10, 2 into 100, 16 into 10. Otherwise you can write prime numbers. Okay. So now root 400 is 20. 4, 2 I can write. Now see, this is 10. This is also 10. So I can write 110. Okay. 2. 100 I can write 10. 16 I can write 4. So what is left? 2. That is root 2 meter square. See now. Now we multiply this. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. So 16. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. And root 2. So root 2, meter square. Now we'll convert this into hectare. So I told you that 10,000 meters square is equals to 1 hectare. So I'll write here 16,000 divided by 10,000 root 2 meter square. So I will get here 1.6 and root 2, value of root 2 is 1.414 meter square. Value of root 2 is 1.414. You have to remember this. Now we will multiply this. So 1.414 into 16. I am not adding this decimal. 6 4s are 24, carry 2. 6, 6, 2, 8. 6 4s are 24, 4, carry 2, 1, 6, 6, 6, 8. Here 4, 1, 4, 1. So 4, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1. See once again, 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 1 6 6 8, 6 4s are 24, 4, carry 2, 8. Then here 1 4 1 4 4, 8 4 12, carry 1, 4 5 6. Okay. 8 and 4, 12, 2, carry 1. So 22, and there after 4 digit. See, after decimal you have 3 digit, here you have 1 digit. So total 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write 2.26 approximately. So I can write 2.26 hectares. Sorry, here hectares. Why? Because we have converted meter square into hectare by dividing by 1000. Clear? Here also we will write hectares. So little bit calculation, nothing else. That's all. And you have to convert meter square into hectares. So this is in meter square. When you divide by 10,000, answer you will get in hectare. So this is our answer, 2.26 hectares. Now we got area of triangle ABC. Now we want to find area of triangle ACD. Okay. So for ACD now, for triangle ACD, you know that what we have here, AC 240 meter, CD 320 meter, and AD is equals to 400 meter. Now we will find semi-perimeter. 240 plus 320 plus 400 divided by 2. So you will add this 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 960 divided by 2. So we will get here 4, here 8, here 0 meter. So here you got a semi-perimeter. Clear? So now we will find area. Area of triangle ACD. You know Heron's formula, 480 S. 480 minus A. A is 240. 480 minus B. B is 320. 480 minus C. C is 400. So here you will get 480 into 480 minus 240. So you will get 240. 480 minus 320. 0. 8 minus 2, 6. 160. Here you will get 80. Now look here, this is 240, this is 480. So it is double of 240. So I can write this way, 240 into 2. Here 240 as it is. Now 160. So I can write 16 into 10. 80. So I can write 80. 4 2s are 8 into 10. See now, 240, 240. So I will write 240 here. This 2, this 2. So I will write 1, 2 here. Now 16, root 16 is 4. Now 10, 10. So I will write 110 here. Now 4, I will write 2. We will multiply this. See, 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 24. So 24 into 16. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 12 and 2. 14. Here 4. Here 2. So 4, 8, 3. 3, 8, 4. So 3, 8, 4 and this 0. Here and this 0. Meter square. So here we got area of triangle ACD. See here, this ACD. And I told you here we have already discussed area of triangle AEC is equals to area of triangle CED. It is divided into two equal halves. So we will divide this area in order to find area of triangle ACE and area of triangle ECD. Before that we will convert into hectares. So I can write here 38400 upon 10,000 hectares. So that will be equal to 3.84 hectares. Clear? So we got the area of triangle ACD. Now we'll divide by 2, so you will get area of triangle ACE and you will get area of triangle ECD. Okay, so I'm going to rub this. See now, area of triangle AEC is equals to area of triangle ECD, that is equals to 3.84 divided by 2. So here 1.1862 hectares. So therefore, our question was, you have to find that how much area in hectare has been used for wheat, potato and onion. Area used for wheat. So area used for wheat. So we have find out area used for wheat, that is 2.26 hectare. 2.26 hectare. That is area of triangle ABC. Now this is for potato. So area used for potato, that is 1.62 hectares. And area used for onion, that is also 1.62 hectares. So moral of the story is, you want to find area of two triangles by using Hero's formula. And after that, here, see here, ACD is divided into two parts by drawing this median CE. So whatever the area of triangle ACD is obtained, that is 3.84 hectare, will be divided by 2. So you will get area of each triangle. So area used for potato and area used for onion. Quite simple. So with this, we are going to complete today's session. Best of luck.